b3 here. Yeah. Go bishop b2, e3, d4. Maybe I might have to do emote only. That didn't, or only on. Is this right? I think that's whatever. I don't have time. Okay, it's game one. Let's go bishop b2. It's on. Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay, let's play bishop b2. It's on, boss. Yeah, so let's play bishop e2. Okay, so I'm gonna castle. Oh, knight d7. That's. I guess I'll play c4, knight c3, maybe. I guess I'm gonna go e4 here. I don't know if this is actually good. It looks kind of dubious, but dubious never hurt anybody as long as you can still play good chess beyond the one move. So what's his idea here? I don't understand. I guess I'll just castle. He has f4, which could be a little bit scary, but also could like not be scary at all. So let's go bishop a3. I'm gonna play like bishop d6 and maybe c5. Now let's go here. I've got c5 and oh, I should have just gone. Oh my gosh, c5 right away, and I was just much better. What am I doing? I mean, maybe it's queen a5, knight 4, knight f8, but oh, very poor play for me. c5 I think was extremely good. He lets me get it anyway though, and now I probably just win because I have bishop c4. Huh? Wait a second. I can also play b4 here, though. Yeah, I think I'm going to go b4 first, and then bishop c4. I also have queen a4. I'm thinking too long. He goes g5, which I don't understand at all. Wait a second. Let's think about this. I could play h4. Yeah, I think I'm going to go h4 here. So if g4, I get knight g5. And if he takes, then I get bishop c4. And I mean, this should be winning. Okay, he goes there, which I don't... okay, he has... Whatever. Let's just go for the kill. I can't just wait all day. g4, I have knight h2. I mean, this should be winning for me. If it's not winning, that's my own fault. Should be winning. Okay, he goes g4, is what I expected. Now, I could take... I can also play knight h2, though, to hit the pawn. Yeah, after I have knight g4... This should be very, very good for me. Thank you so much for wondering, WonderPie Harp for the gift sub. Okay, I just take and yeah, it's just GG. Or is it? I mean, I guess he can play on for a little bit here, but this... I guess I just oh, he's got bishop h3. Oh my gosh, queen f3. Okay, I better wake up. That's not good. Oh, I also had queen b3, but okay, we'll go queen b3 next. We'll win the game. Wake up. Wake up. Let's not make this our classic Tilted Tuesday fail at the end. Okay, we're going to get the win. Goes queen h5, but now he just loses to the classic fossil. Yeah, this is just GG. I have a queen and a rook for a bishop and a knight, which I'm afraid for my opponent is not enough material. 2 bishops for a queen and a rook is nowhere near enough firepower. Go knight d4 here. Nowhere near enough firepower. Let's just take. He's still fighting valiantly. He's trying to I think what's the silliest way to win? I'm just gonna take. Why not? Let's go check. I'm happy to trade back material because the knight is never going to be worth a queen.